nights around the dinner table holding my hands down, but mom and dad trying to figure out the name for this guy. Yeah, we were like Scrabble pieces. Everybody get a Scrabble piece? Okay, take one drink and pass the left, not one drink. We're having serious with the down, okay, now back down. And it was serious. It was many nights. Like, they can't be allowed to say it was bad. No, that's not gonna be. No, I had to put that veto power or something. That's the one I told you. Just man. The runner-up. I can't even go. That's too traumatic.
How does she clean her beak up with?
There's a few close calls.
I can't wait.
He's got a first name that was very simple, but no middle name. Oscar. Oscar.
He wanted it. If it was a boy, he wanted Oscar.
Really?
Yeah, for a grouchy kid.
I know, you kind of set yourself up.
By the time he got rid of the hangover.
Yeah.
Crunchy crunch.
It is.